Hi, so let me show you how to install the PitchGrid plugin and how to get started in Logic Pro. So first thing is you double click the package and go on with the installation. Now we can use Logic Pro. Let's start with an empty project. And I'm selecting now a plugin that has microtonal features. Pioneer Tech is a synthesized piano voice and it supports MTS-ESP. So right now it's tuned normally, and we can now add the PitchGrid plugin under Audio Units Node Audio PitchGrid as a MIDI effect. And now the MIDI signal passes through this plugin. Right now it's tuned to 12 Dead, so we hear the same thing. Sorry, you should adjust the output mode, which is here MTS-ESP. We want to use MTS-ESP. And this will retune the MIDI signal inside of Piano Tech. And the plugin just tells MTS how the piano should be tuned. Now, if I start retuning, you hear directly that any change you do in the plugin also affects the synth. So MTS ESP is a system global setting, but you also can use MPE retuning. So if you use MPE, it's important that the pitch bend range of your of PitchGrid is the same as the receiver. And here in Piano Tech, you can find the option in Options and set the pitch bend range to minus 1,200 cents and plus 1,200 cents. And this corresponds to the same setting of 12 semitones. Okay, and now we should save it or save minimalistic pitch bend 12 semitones. And now we should have the proper rescaling. Let's also try search, which is a popular option. Let's select nicer sound. Now, Surge supports both MTS-ESP as well as MPE mode. And right now we can, for example, if we use MPE, we should switch MPE mode on and make sure that in the MPE settings, the semitones range is the same as in the plugin. 12 semitones here, which is the recommended setting. And then we can retune, or we also can use MTS-ESP, but then we don't need the MP setting. And here the tuning happens via MTS-ESP. Oops. However, if possible, I would recommend using MPE because you can use the pitch bend, the special pitch bend mode implemented in this plugin. So this means that pitch bend range is always going between the adjacent scale degrees of your note that you are playing. So if I play a C, and you can play a chord like C major and pitch bend to D minor.